안녕하세요, 프랭크쌤입니다. 우리 오늘 또 듣기 들어갑니다. 자, 처음에 제가 가져온 듣기는 zone out 있습니다. zone out. zone out. zone out means you just space out and do nothing. For example, I have nothing to do. What should I do? Nothing to do. I just stay home, maybe sitting at the desk and do nothing. Even I don't study, even I don't think, even I don't watch YouTube videos. I just zone out. Zone out is a verb. Zone out. I like to zone out on weekends. Why are you zoning out? Why are you zoning out? 너 왜 zoning out 해? 지금 졸려서 zoning out 하고 있어요. Why? 이렇게 쓸 수 있는 zone out. 그러니까 내 친구 존이 왔어. zone out. 네. 요게 바로 zone out 이라고 할 수 있겠죠. I sometimes zone out during long meetings. 그렇죠, 여러분. We sometimes zone out during long meetings. long meetings. 긴 회의란 뜻이죠. When do you zone out? I sometimes zone out when I watch boring movies. Of course, when you watch boring movies, you might zone out. But please don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Waste means 낭비하다 means you use something for nothing. You use something for nothing. We usually use waste as a verb. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your energy. You have to use your energy to do right things. Right? Oh, I'm sleepy. I don't want to do anything. No. If you zone out, you will be very sleepy. So you have to focus on. You have to focus on your studies. Please don't zone out. Please don't zone out. I think it is really dangerous to zone out while you are driving. I agree with you. It's really dangerous to zone out while you are driving. You know what? My boyfriend zoned out while he was driving on the way home from Busan. It was really dangerous. I don't want him to zone out on the highway while he's driving. Oh, very bad situation, right? I often zone out when I'm stressed out. Do you like to zone out when you are stressed out? No, I never zone out when I'm stressed out. I try to go to sleep or think positively. That's the best way. You can't zone out. You can't freak out. Okay? Good. And also you can say she often zones out when she's stressed out. Will you zone out if I talk about English? No. Please. You can't zone out. When you watch or listen to my English videos, please don't zone out. You have to focus on. You have to be careful and listen what I'm saying carefully. Listen what I'm saying carefully. It means listen up. Listen up. Please don't zone out. Please don't zone out. Listen up. Listen up means you focus on what people say. Good. And next one. Did you zone out during the lecture? Lecture. 강의란 뜻이죠. 강의. So what do you think about my English lecture? Do you always enjoy my English lectures? If you enjoy my English lectures, I'm very happy. Please don't zone out during my English lecture. During my English lectures, my friend sometimes zones out. 이렇게도 쓸 수 있겠죠? 자, 다음에 나온 거는 They don't zone out at concert. Have you ever zoned out at concert? No. Concerts are super exciting. I don't need to zone out. I don't want to zone out. I try to focus on everything. Good. Okay. When do you usually zone out? I usually zone out when I feel tired. I usually zone out when I have nothing to do. When I have nothing to do. 자, nothing은 여기서 부정입니다. 그래서 할 게 없을 때를 nothing to do. I'm bored. I have nothing to do today. Mom, I have nothing to do. What should I do? I have nothing to do. What should I do? Why don't you study English with 프랭크쌤's videos? I think they are great to improve your English skills. Thank you, Mom. I will do that. I like to zone out at cafes. I like to zone out on rainy days at cafes. Very good. You can make 100 sentences with zone out. I think you never forget how to use zone out. Zone out, 멍 때리다. Now you get it. Good job. 너무 잘했습니다. 자, 다음은 제가 지금 더 질문을 좀 몇 개 할 테니까 이 질문에 대해서 우리 같이 한번 이야기하는 시간을 가져볼게요. Do you like zoning out on weekends? No, I don't like zoning out on weekends. I always do something on weekends, such as going hiking, playing golf with my friends, seeing movies, something like that. Number 2, how often do you feel you work too much? I always feel like I'm working too much. I always feel like I'm working too much. Do you think everything happens for a reason? Do you think everything happens for a reason? I don't really believe in it. But when I experience something weird, I think something, not everything, might happen for a reason. Do you agree? Number 3, we already did it. Number 4, what food do you think is too spicy for you to eat? What food do you think is too spicy for you to eat? What food do you think is too spicy for you to eat? I think 낙지볶음 is too spicy for me to eat. Or 마라탕 is too spicy for me to eat. Or 짜파구리 is too expensive for me to eat. But the most spicy food in Korea is 불닭볶음면. 불닭볶음면 is too spicy for me to eat. So I don't really want to eat 불닭볶음면 because I can't stand the spicy. Can you? And next one. Do you think you have enough friends? No, I don't think I have enough friends. But I have some friends. I can hang out and we can have good chats. I think I have enough friends to meet. Where do you usually zone out when you are tired? When I'm tired, I usually zone out at home. I usually zone out at my favorite cafe. I usually zone out while I'm walking in the park. Next question is, how do you manage when you don't have enough money? How do you manage when you don't have enough money? Very simple. I'm a simple man. How do I manage if I don't have enough money? I just don't spend money. That is the best way to solve this problem. Why do people spend a lot of money even if they don't have enough money to spend? For me, very simple. I don't spend money. I don't meet my friends. I don't go out. I just only focus on my work. And I work hard and try to get more money. That's my answer. Number 8. Have you ever zoned out during English class? No, I never zoned out during English class because I love Frank's class. He's one of the funniest guy in Korea. That's why I can't zone out when I take Frank's class. Good job. When do you say this happens for a reason? When do you say this happens for a reason? When I experience something weird or when I experience supernatural power. You know supernatural power? 초자연적인 힘. Mysterious event. Or you can't explain based on the science. Then you can say, wow, it happens for a reason. It happens for a reason. Do you like to stay at home on weekends? No. I'm a people person. People person, 되게 사교적인 사람. So I don't like to stay at home on weekends. I like to meet people and do something. I always get energy from people. To tell the truth, I always give energy to people. I'm not a people person, but I'm doing my job. I'm very energetic, so I can give my energy to people. When do you feel guilty? Guilty. 양심에 찔리는? When I have delicious food without my mom, I feel guilty. When I travel somewhere Without my mom, I feel guilty. So I sometimes travel with my mom. I don't feel guilty these days. I'm pretty good. Do you want to have international friends? Of course, I really want to have international friends, but I don't know how to meet, or I don't know where to meet them, how to make international friends. If you have good tips, could you share with me? 이렇게 쓸 수 있습니다. 그래서 오늘 저와 함께 여러분 여러 가지 그냥 듣기를 한번 해봤어요. 제가 아무 말 대잔치를 한 13분 정도 했는데 좀 들리나요, 여러분? 이게 안 들린다. 이 안 들리는 분들은 뭐가 약하다? 이 구문이 약한 겁니다. 구문. 그래서 이 구문 연습을 정말 많이 해야 합니다. 물론 단어가 약할 수도 있어요. 하지만 단어보다는 쉬운 문장도 안 들린다는 것은 구문이 약한 겁니다. How'd you like it? How'd you like it? 이런 거 잘 안 들리죠. How are you doing? What's going on? What's going on? 이런 것들. I think it must happen for a reason. I think it must happen for a reason. 이렇게. 그래서 구문 연습을 많이 하다 보면은 이 머릿속에 조금씩 영어 단어가 들어가면서 해석이 돼요. 이 해석이 되면은 여러분 영어가 재밌어집니다. 이런 연습을 하기 위해서는 여러분 진짜로 구문 연습 많이 하세요. 내가 과거, 현재, 미래 이런 시제를 갖고 빨리빨리 얘기를 할 수 있는 힘이 안 생긴다면 여러분 절대 영어 프리토킹 안 됩니다. 이거 지겹더라도 계속 해야 돼요. 이걸 정확히 하기 위해서는 뭐 여러 가지 많은 선생님도 있지만 제가 여러분 이거를 20년 동안 이렇게 준비해서 만든 거예요. 저희 노하우를 담았습니다. 프랭크쌤 영어에서 기초 기본, 실전까지도 아니다. 기초 기본까지만 들어도 충분히 어느 정도까지는 구문을 내가 스스로 만들어낼 수 있는 힘이 있다는 거, 힘이 생긴다는 거. 이걸 기억하고 이 구문 연습이 돼야지만 여러분 사람들을 만나고 학원에 가고 영어 공부를 할 수 있는 겁니다. 구문 연습은 혼자서도 할 수 있다. 그리고 천안, 동탄, 강남에 있다면 저희 팀영어학원에서 제가 만든 교육과정으로 같이 공부를 해보자. 또 1대1 또 전화 영어가 있습니다. 또 우리 홈페이지에 보면은 이런 것도 자세하게 나와 있어요. 홈페이지를 참고하시고 그리고 내가 가장 저렴한 방법으로 이 구문을 빨리 잡고 싶다. 제가 만들어 놓은 교육강좌를 믿고 한번 시작해 보시죠. 숙제 mp3 파일 다 있습니다. 여러분 저를 믿고 한번 시작해 보세요. 지금까지 프랭크쌤이었습니다.